So we found BILT when our chief marketing officer for our direct-to-consumer side of the business saw BILT being used for Weber grills. And then said, hey, I found something that's really awesome, and it would be pretty cool to see if you could do something like this with our long arm quilting machines and frame systems. This would be a great app to use as we market and sell this new machine, because we're trying to make it a machine that is simple and easy to use, simple and easy to set up, simple and easy for consumers to get comfortable around. Hey, I can do this. I can do long arm quilting, which is at times it's intimidating. If a person can actually zoom into or see the specific screw that they have to use, because they are different and you can tell them if you see them, but in a manual it's really hard to do that. We see lots of people make those mistakes. I've been impressed with the team, the way that they're kind of digging into things with me and they're grasping things. You can tell they've worked on lots of different projects because they can kind of spot and identify problems that will happen, and it's been refreshing to kind of see their viewpoint. They're laser focused on assembly and the small tasks that make life difficult for customers. We put together the frame systems, which is kind of the more complex part of our assembly for our machines, and is an integral part because you have to have everything level. If they're not level, machines move and go different directions than they need to be going. Here we got 2 machines set up and 2 frame systems set up, and these are entry-level machines for us, machines that we hope consumers will be able to do more on their own versus having a professional come in and set them up for them. The difficult part with YouTube is because you can walk people through it, but it's time consuming. They might have to watch an hour-long video or longer to be able to figure out how to do it, and to pause and to stop in between tasks. Those are headaches that customers don't want to experience.